Good morning, everyone! So today, grade 9 is gonna go field trip to Gardenia Factory. So, come join us!
Grade 9 field trip! We have arrived!
Who breaks the power of sin and darkness?
Gardenia Factory in Laguna is a 16-hectare complex, which is why it is called the Bread Kingdom. It produces 850,000 loaves of bread daily and 850 in 6 hours. It has a whole process of making bread, even a 30-meter long oven.
Gardenia was first made in Singapore by 1978 and it came to the Philippines by 1997, which is here in Binyan, Laguna. And it's known for its iconic, soft, tasty white bread and its white, red, blue packaging.
Every tribe will see your glory.
Seeing how much work and care people put into making bread, it helps me to thank God more for His blessings. Seeing people making bread takes efforts, time, and teamwork. It helps me to be more thankful for His blessings, His love, and for giving us what we need each day.
Seeing the detail in making bread reminds me of how God carefully provides of our needs. Just like the bread takes time, patience, and the right ingredients. It reminds me of God, the bread of life's provision takes time but always strengthens us.
Touring the Gardenia factory helps me see how people use their skills to serve others. It also reminds me that God designed work for purpose and stewardship.
We're back in this school. We had a really fun time during the field trip. Thank you for watching, guys.
And that's our Gardenia field trip. We, the grade 9 students of Gardenia Academy, learned how teamwork, technology, and precisely planned steps all come together to make the bread we eat every day. We saw how every stage, from ingredient checking to automated baking to careful packaging, follows strict standards to keep the bread fresh and safe. This trip taught us the value of efficiency, hard work, and dedication in producing something incredible.